import performance time here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 2021 BMW X5 M50i, 4.4 twin turbo underneath the hood. That's paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Actual miles in this vehicle, 30,637 on it right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia and grille. Ametrine metallic color of this vehicle. If you want to check out the window sticker, I'll have a picture of that in with the rest of the pictures of this vehicle. So check out that window sticker if you'd like to see exactly how this is equipped. I'll try to hit on some of the highlights as we go around it. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the M wheels. Now, in with those still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, and that window sticker for exact options. What you're going to see on that window sticker, this does have the parking assist package. It also has front and rear heated seats, heated front seat armrest, front massaging seats. You can take a little peek at those through the window too if you want. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Interior in the condition that you would expect with a low mile car, well taken care of. Coming to the rear, you're going to see on the options, does have 2-axle air suspension and trailer hitch. It also has rubber floor mats, so it is going to come with the cloth ones and also the receiver and a couple size balls. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see up and down that driver's side, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. Did notice it looked like there was a little, just real light one, a little bit of touch-up right by the gas door. And once again, those still pictures, take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we have an open door policy, third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this for you. Maybe you can't make it yourself, not a problem. If you like imports, sports cars, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. All different vintage of vehicles as well as models, makes. If we take a look up and down the driver's side, again, you can see the paint shows well, nice shine to it. No major nicks, dings, or scratches on the front of it. Like any vehicle, you may have a little pebble chip or rock chip touched up here or there. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take time looking through those still pics. Let's take a peek at the second row seats. You can see the condition of this interior as nice as the exterior. No rips, tears, holes, discoloration, any odd sort of wearing, anything like that. Be a good idea what that roof looks like. We'll start this up, let you hear it run. Jason will also take for a drive at the end of the video. Of course, it's going to have all your modern amenities from memory seating to power windows and locks. Power seats over here, and remember the massaging front. Power seats as well as the heated armrests up front. Let's fire this up. All right, what do we have there for exact miles? Pop up on there. I would have to play around with it to find information for exact miles. If you check out the still pictures, I know it's going to tell you 30,637. Dash looks good, of course, the touch screen. Infotainment, I guess, if you will, with the media, navigation, radio, electronic dual climate control here. All right. And you notice there's no check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Just the fact I have the door open now. Any questions, feel free to call. Sales consultant will be happy to help you out. This does have the Harman Kardon stereo system in it. Good looking interior. Really just lack of much wear at all. Be a fun car to take out and drive. Slip around to the back, sounds as it should. Again, 4.4 twin turbo. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust on a later model like this. Let's go ahead and pop this hood a second. Give you a little peek at what's underneath there. About the hood liner, pretty much spotless. Doesn't look like this has been driven in much inclement weather. There it is. Some performance in this thing, no doubt about that. (2021) BMW X5 M50i, 30,637. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2021 BMW X5. This is quite an impressive vehicle. Really, really nice modern amenities and lots of power. It throws you back in your seat. I kind of wasn't expecting that. Of course, BMW's always been performance oriented. This is an automatic right here on the center console, or you can paddle shift up and down right on the wheel. Smooth, quiet ride as you would expect from BMW. LCD screen for our gauges. One really cool feature is it's given me a G-force reading. Kind of looks like what you'd see in a cockpit of a fighter jet. Makes me want to swing that to one side, which you might do on the corner up here. Brakes are nice and smooth. The AC is of course blowing cold. Good colors in here. Yeah, corners well, corners nicely. Leans a little bit, just enough to be soft in the corners, not too harsh. There it is. So I just pushed the throttle halfway about and took off like a rocket. It is a fun car to push that throttle down on. Great looking interior. Leather bucket seats. And all the amenities you can think of. Take a look at all the pictures of this BMW at UniqueClassicCars.com.